QuickNest has been upgraded. It now supports nesting of toolpaths, and it also allows the creation and export of nest lists, making the whole process a lot quicker and smoother. Previously, the workflow involved dragging a selection box around each individual part and its toolpaths, then filling out the nested part settings. That had to be repeated for each part, which made it a very manual process. Now, QuickNest allows simple group selection of multiple parts. From that, it automatically detects each individual part and all its associated toolpaths. There's no need for the repetitive manual selecting that used to be required. QuickNest automatically creates a nest list in the Nesting Project Manager on the left-hand side to access and edit part settings and the nested job settings. You can also export and save the nest list along with the parts for future use and editing. This means you don't have to start from scratch every time you're dealing with reruns of parts or jobs. Another useful addition is the new preview feature. QuickNest now lets you visually verify that all parts and their toolpaths have been detected correctly before processing the nested job. This gives clear confirmation and helps prevent errors before committing to processing the nested job.